President Drupadi Murmu, while addressing the joint sitting of both houses of parliament today, highlighted the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, saying people were hopeful for it for centuries and that dream has been fulfilled now. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah launches the computerization scheme for the offices of the Register of Cooperative Societies and Agriculture and Rural Development Banks of the states in New Delhi yesterday. The Indian Navy warship INS Sumitra has carried out a second successful anti-piracy operation rescuing 19 crew members and a vessel from armed Somali pirates in the Arabian Sea. The Enforcement Directorate official will interrogate Chief Minister Hemant Soren today in the alleged money laundering case linked to illegal sale purchase of army land. International Monetary Fund has increased its GDP growth estimate for India to 6.7% for the current financial year.